Alright, welcome to FX Garage Works. I'm just in the midst of putting a machine, 2003 RX1 back together and working on an 05 RX1 Warrior. I just talked to a good friend of Team Chaos. He sent me a nice new lift and looking forward to using that. This is the nice new lift I just got from Team Chaos. As you can see, it's all aluminum. Probably weighs tops of 40 pounds. It's a great unit. I'm going to be using it for a few projects. I got one of my old lifts there. Reassembling my sled from the snowmobile show that I had for display. Just putting everything back together. That's the exhaust brake flexes in there. And then there's my machine, just got the carburetors all done. I gotta get that back in there. And then on to the old stuff. I got myself a couple 340s. I got that one. Got this one here. I got a chassis. And then I got this one. So they're all got good parts on them, but we're gonna build a nice mint one, get her all up and running. This one here's got a great motor, chassis, suspension, seat, everything's good on that one. As you can see, the front of it's been damaged up pretty good, but we can get all that fixed up. Like I said, I got that part sled chassis. This part sled for the cowling. Cowling's in decent shape. A couple little cracks, but we can always fix those. And then this machine. Same thing. Got some good parts, some bad parts. It's got a VMAX suspension in it. That's a bit much for me for the old Enticer. But once again, complete machine. It's got the got the old 340 in it. There we go. 340. It's been sitting a while. It's grown the all in. Got electric start and everything on this one, so it's an old XL3. So yeah, so we're going to be busy for a while building some projects. Oh yeah, and this is my XL3 I built for my daughter last year. I just got to get the cowling painted up on it. But great machine, runs like a top. Just needs to be all cleaned up, and we're just getting some snow today finally, and we'll get them out.